Alrighty, guys. So today is Monday afternoon. It's like almost 1 o'clock. I actually was supposed to be working to 6 today, but I got off early. Well, I requested for me to get off early because I'm not feeling good. I've been off my night medicine for like a day now, and I got my prescription, I think, today, so I might drop by Walmart and see if I can refill it today because I really need it because the after effects are not that great at all. My morning ones don't really have a big after effect. My night ones, heck yes. Alrighty, guys, it's like 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I did go to Walmart and pick up my medicine, and I got some stuff. I didn't really get that much stuff for me per se, but I picked up a few things. The first thing I got, which is some not Bombay, it's black Indian ink. I don't know if you can see it that well due to my computer being so bright. There we go. I got this because I actually picked me up a dip pen. I never had a dip pen before, so I've seen it at Walmart a couple of times, and I'm like, you know what? Let me just try it out and see if I like it. So I mainly got this ink for it because it looked like it was a little set. So yeah, so that's pretty much it that I got art-wise, like drawing-wise. And another thing that I got is the 20 pack of Crayola Super Tip markers. I wanted to get the 50 because the 50 was about $6. This was $3. Like, guys, $3. But I decided to go with this one because I don't really need that many markers anymore. But yeah, it's exciting. Alrighty, guys, so I'm sitting here kind of stalking the actors from Love by Chance, and I followed A, P, and 10, and I got a notification that someone followed me. No joke. The little brother of Tur, the actor who plays him, followed me. I legit was shaking. I was shaking because I'm like, this can't be real, because maybe he accidentally clicked follow me, because a lot of people do that. You'll accidentally click on someone you didn't mean to click. So I'm just like, you know what? I'll give it till tomorrow. If it's still there, it's real. It's real. So I legit screenshotted it. So in case he did accidentally follow me, I was like, at least I have proof that he did follow me. So anyone who says, oh yeah, you're just kind of lying, I have the receipts, honey. I have them. Alrighty, guys, it's Tuesday morning. This vlog is going to be really short. I just noticed that. But anyways, it's not a lie, guys. The guy did follow me. So I'm like shooketh, like, but anyways, I actually redrew my little gender bent version of Zoe from Yumi Power. A lot of people liked it ages ago. I think the original was like 4 years old, and I never finished it. So I'm like, let me just redo it in a better style. So I did. It's on Instagram. You can see it if you want. But I got a doctor's appointment today, basically for nothing. Like, I'm just gonna go there, and he's probably gonna ask me, are things going well, all the typical stuff, and then go home. You spent $100 for nothing, but go home. But anyways, that's pretty much it for what I'm doing today. So hopefully I can vlog me at the doctor's office. I'm gonna try not to be so obvious because I think I do that too much. But anyways, that's pretty much it for right now. So I'll just come back either when I'm about to go to the doctor's or when I'm doing something productive. Alrighty, guys, so my commission from Nautica just came in the mail. Like I said, whenever I get small stuff like this, I'm just going to include it with my vlogs. And I actually have to leave in a couple of minutes, so I have to do this kind of fast. If you guys didn't know, I got one of her commissioned sketchbooks that she was doing. I don't know if she's still doing them, but if she is, I'll try to link the information if you guys are interested in a commissioned sketchbook by Nautica, because she's amazing and I love her ever so much. Alrighty, so I can't flip it over, but 1, 2, 3, go. Alrighty. Okay, we're not gonna look at that. We're not gonna look at that. Let's just pretend that's not there. Alrighty. So, I have a bookmark of Esther. Look at the bay. I didn't know she did bookmarks. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna start using this from now on because Esther is my wife forever and I freaking love her. Oh my gosh. And yes. And ooh, I can't even look at this. I can't even look. Okay. All right. I got the note out successfully. All right. Thank you so much for... I cannot read. All right, let's restart. Thank you so much, baby. The love means a lot. Also, this new character is hella pretty. Yes. Gorge. I hope you like it, Nautica. Ah! I love you so much. And yes, I will love it because I saw it on Instagram. It's gorgeous. Okay. I'm going to pull it out now and I'll save the extra goodies until last. And look, it's so pretty. I'm like super scared of using this, but it's so gorgeous. And ooh, I'm like super excited to have it. It took me forever to use her other journal that I got, and I'm scared of using this one, so I might just keep this as like merch. Alright, and this is the extra stuff, so I'm going to go through this backwards, alright? So this is her business card, as always, and I love her business card. It's pearlescent, and it's gorgeous. So, yes, queen. Yes. My phone does not want to focus, but it's okay. You're going to focus today. There we go. So, 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh! It's actually a print of her Snow Miku 2017. I think this is the 2017 version. I don't really keep up with the Snow Mikus, but I think this is 2017. It's so freaking cute. Next one is 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh. I forget this character's name. I know it's something too, but she's from Darling in the Franxx. I actually wanted to watch that anime, but let's just say me and anime don't really get along anymore because I have no time to watch anime that much anymore. The only anime I can watch and keep up with is freaking Banana Fish, but ooh, maybe I'll watch this sometime when I have time, which is never. Alright, and the last one is boop! It's Esther! It's the actual print of her. So I got the bookmark of the Bay and I got a print of the Bay. So I'm just gonna send so much love to you, Nautica. Thank you so much for all the extras you sent me, and thank you so much for the journal. I love it so much. And again, even if she's not doing the journals anymore, I'll put her commission info down below because she's such a talented artist. And congrats on 1 million, not 1 million. What am I talking about? Congrats on 100k subs as well, Nautica, because I noticed it and I was like, oh my gosh, you're at 100k. So congrats on that as well. So yes, I have to get dressed right now, but I just really wanted to unbox this on camera for you guys before I actually leave to do things, which I don't want to do. Currently I'm shopping. My brother is doing more of the actual shopping and I'm just looking around. We have the big boxes of strawberry pocky. Alrighty guys, so me and my brother finished getting his oil change, shopping, and now he's getting some more boots for work because his boots are talking to him very bad. And yeah, it's probably near 1 o'clock and my appointment is not until 1:45. This place does not take you until your actual time, which sucks because I just really want to get in there and get out because they're just going to tell me the same thing I've heard last year. But I don't know. I think it's good to keep going. But at this point, I'm just like, what's the point? Because yay, I'm seizure free for 4 years, but I don't think I need to keep going to this place if I'm going to hear the same exact things. And one thing this guy always tells me, he's like, honey, you have to lose the weight. That's the only thing that I see wrong. I don't know why I'm laughing at this, but it's so funny. Alrighty guys, I'm home. I had to give blood. That's fun. And I'm drinking a Ramune. I'm holding it like this because my arm hurts really bad. But yeah, I was looking forward to completing my Deku sticker, but I guess that's gonna have to wait till later on tonight because my arm is gonna hurt, or probably tomorrow when I get back from work, if I go to work tomorrow. I don't even know. But yeah, I'm just sitting here watching Degrassi, eating stuff that I shouldn't be eating, but it's okay. God forgive me. Alrighty guys, I promise you it's a different day. I'm just wearing the same exact outfit because I love this shirt. This is pretty much it for the vlog. I have nothing to do, so I can't really update you guys more than I already have. So if you guys like this vlog, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Turn on your post notification bell if you want to keep up my videos. I don't really say that because I don't want to seem too mainstream. But if you guys are missing my videos by any chance, put that on and you should be able to catch all of my videos. And that's pretty much it for what I have to say. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.